Let me quickly show you the process of removing reposts on TikTok. If you mistakenly reposted a TikTok and if you want to remove it, let me show you how you can do it. Firstly, let's repost a TikTok video. Tap on the share on the bottom right and tap on repost. Now whenever you repost a video, you can see that it has an option of you reposted and add a comment. But however, if you scroll past this video, you cannot see that you reposted that TikTok. But with the new update of TikTok, they have added in a separate section to view all of your reposts. For that, make sure you updated your app of TikTok to the latest version. Once you do that, tap on your profile icon on the bottom, and on the top you'll see a couple of options. The first one is of course all of the TikTok that you posted. To see the repost, you just need to tap on these two arrows, which is the repost option, and you'll see all of the TikTok that you reposted. Just tap open the one that you want to remove, and again tap on the share option on the bottom right, and you will have an option of remove repost. Tap on this option and the repost will be instantly removed, and it will be also removed from the repost section on your profile. Similarly, you can do for any other repost that you made. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful, and if you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications of our channel. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.